How to make your subject pop in Photoshop. We import the image in Photoshop, we duplicate the layer with Command or Control J. Then we simply add a mask next to the FX button. We create a mask. We press Control or Command I to invert that mask. We select the brush with the B key. Then we can press backslash to display the mask. And then we simply make sure that we're painting with white. You can press D to select the paintbrush color to black and white, and then press X to switch the colors, and then simply paint the area you would like to highlight. And again, you can, if you simply want to paint, neglect any areas, you can switch your brush to black and paint them back. And then I'm going to make a little bit more hole right here. And again, you can make any color you want here. And then make sure you get the middle as properly as possible. And then after you do that, simply create a curves adjustment layer. Make sure you click the clipping mask button. And then simply you can either highlight your image like so, or slowly make your image, bring your curve up a little bit in some areas. And after doing that, we're then going to duplicate our mask layer, but instead we're going to go to the second mask, and we're going to press Control I to invert the selection and make sure that we're masking the background instead. And we're going to make another curves layer. We're going to create a clipping mask, and then we are going to darken this area here, and we can darken it as much as we want here. So make sure we highlight our mask here. And then also it's good to go back to either of our masks and make sure we add feather to them so that it looks a little bit more natural. Let me do that here as well too. And again, you can mess with this as much as you want. And then afterwards we have the before and we have the after. So that's how you can make your images pop, and you can add some highlight to them. Thanks for watching.